Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Mancuza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuma-Brothers Keeper kusukela namhlanje mhla 24 February 2025 kuya ngolesihlanu mhla ka-28 February 2025. Okuzokwenzeka namhlanje mhla ka-24 February 2025, uNqubeko names a proxy in his absence and the Shabalala are not pleased. Mamchunu and Dorothy are at each other's throats yet again. Shengu exposes Ndumiso to City and he embarrassed. NgoLwesibili mhla ka-25 February 2025, Nqubeko's fate is decided. Will he walk scot-free or go straight to jail? Fakazile puts Makazi in her place. Toba is excited about Ndumiso's achievement. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-26 February 2025, Mamchunu's fight to get justice for Tutuka. Tonga convinced Shengu that his anniversary celebration will reunite the family, and Ndumiso swears he is not coming if Nqubeko is also invited. NgoLwesine mhla 27 February 2025, Shengu's shocking decision to support Nqubeko needs family tension. Nqubeko's curiosity grows about the true nature of his parents' relationship. Shengu and Doreen rekindling an old flame. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 28 February 2025, Mamchunu feels betrayal that Shengu and Donga Nqubeko consider to go to Tutu's grave. Ndumiso is surprised when he reveals the Carter's kitchen is raking it in only because they are sponging off his businesses. Ngiyabamba la ningakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell, subscribe noma usho umbono wakho. Bye.